No experience, no skills, no fancy LinkedIn profile. You still want a great internship. I've been there, and guess what? It is not impossible. You just need to be proactive. Today, I'll share 5 steps to get your dream internship even if you are starting from scratch and you are in first year of your graduation. Just do these 5 things and you'll get through it. Step number 1, mindset reset. Most students think मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं कर रखा है, कोई experience नहीं है, कैसे मिलेगी internship? Truth bomb. Your first internship is never about the experience, but it is about your willingness to learn more new things. You already have the skill that you underestimate, like managing college fest, handling social media profile of your college or your committee that you work in, and different more other things that you are just ignoring. So, when I say you have the skill, you already have it, you just need to see through it. CAT 2025 crack karna hai, and you think hard work is enough. Trust me, I've been there. And as a senior, it's my responsibility to guide you. Hard work will not get you the result. You need to work smart, you need to get right mentor, and you need to get right guidance. And for that, I have a batch that will definitely help and support you, and that is PW MBA Wala. According to me, there are 3 skills that are much needed for you to crack CAT 2025 or you to get into your dream MBA college or B school. And that is time management, your analytical ability, and how well you analyze your mock test. And where do you get all these 3 things in one frame? And that is PW MBA Wala. They have their 2 batches that is completely a treasure that you get right now, but only if you have the ability to utilize it in the smartest way possible. See, we need to understand कि MBA वाला के नए batches में you get expert mentors, daily discipline and full strategy. So you have 2 best option, and that is MBA Ignite 2025 for those who want a strong foundation to intermediate level preparation, and MBA Pro for those जो complete package चाहते हैं, Ignite, Elite and Extras. What do you get in MBA Ignite 2025? You get live recorded classes with unlimited views, full syllabus coverage, QA, VARC, LRDI, DPPs with faculty video solution, 20 plus mock tests and 24/7 doubt support. What do you get in MBA Pro 2025 batch? And that is what speaks volume about your CAT preparation. MBA Pro के साथ मिलेगा Extra, All Ignite and Elite benefits, CAT PYQ books last 7 years के, Infinite practice question, PW special खजाना, best lecture tips and tricks, mentorship session, 1 past test series. तो फिर वेट किस बात का कर रहे हो? Use my coupon code MRI500 given on the screen to get extra off to register on both of these batches. Link is in the description. Go start right now. In case you need special guidance or any kind of mentorship from me, do reach out to me. Till then, enroll in these courses given by PW MBA Wala. All the best. And now, let's jump on to the second point. Step number 2. Make a basic resume. When I say basic, it should have information about your education, your percentage, your academic qualification, your interest, and some of the things that you have done, which does not count as experience. Just basic editing skills, talking, communication, or you have won a debate competition. Anything that you're good at should be mentioned in your resume. The format of your resume can be found on Canva, or a simple template can be found on LinkedIn. And in case you want me to give you a simple resume template, comment down in this video and I'll share that with you. Step number 3, apply for right internship. You can go on internshala.com, you can go on naukri.com, and the best place to start can also be LinkedIn. Your LinkedIn profile matters. I have spoken about this around 100 times. Go make your good LinkedIn profile and start searching for remote internship there. How to do that? I'll share this on the screen. Firstly, you go and search internship on the search bar of LinkedIn platform. There you put a remote internship filter. Now you search for roles like campus ambassador, research intern, social media intern, NGO volunteer, virtual operation intern. Most important part about your first internship is that your intent should be so powerful that you will speak loudly about it. For example, I'll tell you how did I get my first internship. So my first internship was a finance internship where I really wanted to learn financial statement, balance sheet, not according to the books that we have learned, but I wanted to understand how this is done in real life. I started my first internship with zero amount, zero stipend to be very precise, and I said, I just want to learn. Give me an opportunity, I want to learn and I'll prove myself. Then you decide whether you want to pay me or not. But did they first promise that they'll pay me stipend? No. They said that we are just hiring you for your learning. We have zero expectation from you. Now it depends on you how you want to take it forward. I took that opportunity, worked on it, and got my first stipend too. And this is what my expectations are from you. Step number 4, smart messaging. So what most students do, they apply to 50 internship on the very first day with zero message, and same resume they send to all the recruiters, all the founders that they want to target. But what you should actually do, to all the LinkedIn or any platform internship that you are applying to, you should make sure that you have a short message to be sent to the recruiter. See, you'll think that this is a very common thing everyone must be doing, but trust me, when it comes to you, you are starting from scratch. Do what people have already done from scratch. That is, while applying for an internship or applying for any position, don't forget to write your letter of intent, your area of interest with a short message to the recruiter. Why do you think that you need this internship and how this internship will help your profile and how you will contribute to the organization. You can use the message given on the screen. This is the ideal message that one should give to get an internship in the very initial phase of their career. You can use the same. Okay, the smartest move. That is step number 5, build your mini portfolio. Now I'll tell you what is portfolio. The skills that you feel that you are excellent at. Maybe it can be making a presentation, right? Just do one thing, make a presentation on Zomato, why Zomato should start their cloud kitchen in Ahmedabad. Just a vague example that I have in my mind, I have given right now. Just make 3 slides on it. Give your everything. Put all your presentation skills in that PPT, in that slides. And as a portfolio, give it to your senior, give it to the person that you want yourself to hire, and send the link to them. If they feel that your work speaks 1,000 words, they will definitely give you a chance. And now, since you have a special connect with me and you have been there with me since day one, here are the few internship opportunities, around 10 internship opportunities that I feel you can start your career with, and then the link for the same will be available in description. Go check it out. Maybe this can be the one internship that change your career, start your career, or maybe boost your career at the same time. Go give it a try, read the description given about the internship, see if this aligns with your area of interest, and remember what all the points that I have taught you how to apply for an internship, where you write about yourself, your area of interest, and why do you think this internship is fit for you. So now let's recap. Number 1, change your mindset. You can get the dream internship even in first year of your graduation. Number 2, make a right resume for you that is simple but speaks highly about you and your work. Step number 3, choose a right platform that has valid and useful internship for you to start your career with. Point number 4, reach out with intent. Talk about why you need this internship, how, and what will you add to this internship, and what this internship will add in your career. And point number 5, build your mini portfolio. I don't know why students are not doing this. There are people who reach out to me on LinkedIn and they just give a message that, oh, I'm very good at social media, please hire me. I'm very good at editing, please hire me. No, you need to give your work. You need to speak about the work. See, I have done all these 1, 2, 3 things in editing or any kind of work that I have done, and I think I want to add something to your profile, or you can add to mine. But talk about the work that you have done. As simple as that. And yes, I have listed down the 10 internships that you should do or you can start your career with. in the description and also I've mentioned on the screen. So till then, all the best. And yes, link of the PW batch is also there in description. In case you are preparing for CAT, don't miss out these batches because these will add shine to your CAT score and your MBA college that you will select. Till then, all the best. Don't forget to subscribe and show your love. Hopefully, we meet next week soon.